All right, hey guys, today my name is Anthony.Fuller. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 541-653-2818. Today we're going to go over the Lance trailer 1475, which is one of the small, cute trailers that you could tow with the V6 vehicle. One of the things people love about this trailer is that it has a nice big underbelly with this nice rollout here. Put all your stuff in there, stuff on the side, really awesome. Then if you come up front here, you have this front window, which people really love. It adds a lot more light in this trailer. Also, you have a power tongue jack, which is really important when you're pulling in late nights and you don't want to crank. You just push the button and it'll let it down for you. Follow me, guys. So this one has the slide on the front, but it's a small slide. This is a true Four Seasons trailer too, guys. One of the best quality trailers you can get on the market. Come on in and I'll show you why. First off, to your left here, gonna have the big Norco fridge with the storage over there. This one's gonna have stainless steel appliances with the nice new stove, the Medic stove, flat countertop surface, and also push it up 3 burners. Then you have this round sink, which is something that Lance likes to have in their trailers, which is I love. The TV's right here, all your entertainment. Oh, they add the Truma system to this. So what the Truma system means is when you turn on the cold water, it's instantly cold. If you turn on the hot water, it's instantly hot. There's no letting the water run because this is a small trailer, so they try to keep it down. And that also works for the shower. You have your tables here. This light is in on this trailer, and I brought it in so people can see that you could still get in with the slide in. It's a very small slide. Okay, these are your tables right here. Nice size bed. The windows all the way around. AC, and then check out the bathroom. Lots of room in there for moving around. Real wood inside of here. These two recline. So this is a recliner. Luckily it didn't hit me in the knee. And we'll get that down later. The table goes right in the middle right here and you slide that in. So let me show you a little bit more outside. If you come around to the back here, you have the nice, beautiful backing of it. On this side, you have your outside shower and all your water hookups. And then over here, you just have the back side of the underbelly with the magnetic stop. So this is the Lance 1475. If you have any questions, this is one of my favorite trailers to sell. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. That's Anthony Fuller. Thank you.